Hey everyone, a few days ago I got to see my good friends Burr and Don do a quick sneak peek of running .NET on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And I wanted to show you that this is a really rapidly evolving space and there's quite a bit more working right now, and it's only been less than a week since they did their webinar, so let's get into it. So here I'm running just pure RHEL. I'm not going to be using containers or anything today, but I am using Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL, as my desktop. And so one of the things you'll notice is that Visual Studio Code is now officially released, version 1.0. It's available as RPMs, and as such it integrates very nicely right into the start menu here, the applications menu, and so I can simply launch it. And I had already gone ahead and just made a very simple hello world using the old .NET New command from the command line, and here it is, hello world. Very simple application, obviously, but running in VS Code natively on RHEL. You'll notice that things like references are showing up, IntelliSense is showing up. I'm getting access to documentation, and I could run it right from here. But watch this, because this is the thing that is going to get you hopefully a little bit excited. I'm going to hit F9. That's to set a breakpoint, and sure enough, there is a breakpoint set there. You could also just come over in the margin here and just click. But now that I've got this breakpoint set, I'm going to go over to the debugging menu, and I've got it set up already to just launch the console application as a .NET Core app, as a console app. So I'm going to hit the play button or the start button. I'm going to hit just F5 as well. And it's now kicking off, and it's already been compiled because I already ran this before, so it's not going to do the compilation step. And now the interactive debugger is loading up into Visual Studio Code. And here I've got my call stack. Here I've got my local variables. Notice the args variable. I didn't pass in any arguments, but it's showing up. If I just hover over a variable, there again, it's a zero-length array of string, which is what you would expect args to be. And I'm stopped at a breakpoint. So I could, let's just step over this line, and I get my console output. So I'll hit F5 and just let it run to completion, and it has completed. So look at that, interactive debugging, including breakpoints right from VS Code, all natively on RHEL, is working now, and I think it's a great sign of things to come. So enjoy your .NET coding.